Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Canara Bank account online, quick and easy using your computer. Simply keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser to begin. In the web address bar that pops up at the top, type in www.canarabank.com and press enter on a keyboard. You'll now soon find yourself in the official website of Canara Bank, which looks like this. Right from the home page of Canara Bank, you can go ahead and mouse over to the login button at the top right, and this will bring up an expanded menu. Go ahead and select the area from where you'd like to log into your account. In today's video, since we are logging into our online banking account, let's choose Net Banking-Canara option from the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll be welcomed to the login area for Net Banking. Type in your user ID where it says user ID in the first text field, and head over to the next field where it says password and type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking on the little eye icon near the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. Now, type in the captcha that you could see on the next field. Make sure to type it in correct. Select the language of your choice from the drop down, and finally, after you're done typing in your credential, click the sign in button in order to log into your Canara Bank account online. If you have the credentials correct, there will be no problem logging in, but in case you've forgotten your user ID and your password, you can retrieve them back by clicking on create/reset login password. That was how you can easily and quickly sign into your Canara Bank account online using your computer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.